In the South, we love our grits. I am here with home chef Arabella, who is going to take us to Indonesia for some chicken and grits.
Yes, Cindy. It's actually a street food in Indonesia, and we eat this for breakfast, actually. So this is an Americanized version of it. I'm going to show you how to make it. First of all, we have some grits. I'm going to mix it all inside this pan. Okay, and then I put some Goya chicken bouillon.
Just one packet?
Just one packet, but not all of it, just
Yes.
a little bit. We'll have some Goya coconut milk. This coconut milk actually is going to give a little buttery flavor, creamy. We're gonna put it on the stove.
That's my favorite. The Goya coconut milk has that rich flavor.
Yes, yes. Now we put some water. Just enough so it's not too runny. Gonna cook it maybe for about 5 minutes.
Now, Arabella, you're going to prepare the chicken.
Yes. So first we're gonna put some Goya olive oil. We're gonna saute some shallots.
My fave. Goya olive oil.
Yeah.
Put some
And we put shallots pretty much in everything. We put shallots in fried rice. We put shallots everything. Okay. And make it nice and brown and just smell really good. You can't have too much of shallots. Everybody loves shallots. When it's done, it's gonna be a little crispy and brown. We can also mix it with this, just a little bit. I'm gonna save some of this for the garnish, okay? So cook it for about a few minutes until it's brown. I think, yeah. All right, let me put it to the side. So yes, I like to use just fresh chicken, and then you can bake it yourself, and then you shred it.
and just put a little.
You can just go ahead and saute it with a little olive oil from Goya. And make sure the fire is on high, because we want it a little brown, like burn kind of look. Yeah. And then I have this. This is Indonesian sweet soy sauce. It's like a soy sauce, but it's very thick and it's very sweet.
Oh, and that's called ABC. Oh,
ABC, yes.
Oh, it is a little thick.
It is a little thick, yeah. Just do it like that. This is what's gonna give the flavor to the grits.
Ooh. Oh, that
And-
looks yummy already.
right.
It smells.
Yes. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, now we are ready to put the ingredients. All the ingredients.
So after you finish cooking the grits for about 10 minutes or so, and you added the grits
Yeah.
to
Now
the
we're
bowl.
gonna pour the chicken on top, just like that. You see that? Some of the chicken
my
parts are
gosh.
brown and crispy.
That looks so
more.
yummy.
And then you want to put some of the shallots, the sauteed shallots.
Oh, just the smells. Oh,
And I also like to put some of the green onions on top. And I'm gonna put some cilantro. If you like cilantro, I do love cilantro.
yeah, me too. A little cilantro.
I have prepared boiled eggs. You can also use sunny side up, any type of eggs, or you don't even have to have eggs if you want. I do bake some egg roll skin.
Ooh, so
Yeah,
you
you
just
can-
bake those.
Yeah, I bake this. So in Indonesia, we use chips and everything. We put chips on fried rice. We put chips on any dish. So
Chips
kind of
all
like
the
that.
time.
And some tomatoes. If you
Oh,
do
this
like,
looks
if you do like
Jalapenos.
jalapeno, some I like it spicy. There you go. And we are ready.
And now we're ready to eat.
Yep. Selamat menikmati.
Ooh, chicken
let's try some.
and grits.
Yeah.
Indonesian
I
style.
tried some of the chicken in it with these shallots.
This is amazing. You have to try the grits this way. That chicken. What a great balance.
Yeah.